Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So in this video, I will teach you about factorization. So there are three learning standards here. The first one, relate the multiplication of algebraic expressions to the concept of factors and factorization, and hence list out the factors of the product of the algebraic expressions. Number two, factorize algebraic expressions using various methods. Number three, solve problems involving factorization. Okay, now we see factors and factorization concept. Factorization is the process of determining the factors of an algebraic expression or algebraic terms, and when multiplied together will form original expression. Factorization is the reverse process of algebraic expansion. So as you can see here, I give you one example. 4x plus 2 become 2 bracket x plus 1. So this one we call as factorization. Whereas if we reverse this process, 2 bracket x plus 1 become 4x plus 2. This one we call as expansion. Okay, now we see the factorization of algebraic expression. So there are four methods to factorize algebraic. The first one, highest common factors. Here we use when there are 2, 3 or 4 terms. Second, difference of square of 2 terms. Here there are formula x squared minus y squared. When we factorize, it will separate into 2 brackets. The first one x plus y, and then followed with x minus y. Third method, cross multiplication. We use this method when it is in general form, ax squared plus bx plus c. And the last one, common factors involving 4 algebraic terms. Here when it involves 4 algebraic terms. Now we see the example for highest common factor. First example, determine the highest common factor for 80 and 120. Here we use repeated division. So I write 80 and 120. So we start with the smallest number that can be divided. Here 80 divided by 2, 40. 120 divided by 2, 60. Next, I choose to divide it by 4. 40 divided by 4, 10. 60 divided by 4, 15. Next, divide by 5. 10 divided by 5, 2. 15 divided by 5, 3. So as you can see here, these two numbers can't be divided with the common number. So we stop and then we multiply the divisible. 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. So the highest common factor equal to 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. The answer equal to 40. Second example, use the same method. 12pq 16p square q 20p square q to the power of 3. First one, we factorize the coefficient. So now I want to divide by 4. 12 divided by 4, 3pq. 16 divided by 4, 4p square q. 20 divided by 4, 5p square q to the power of 3. Okay, next you see that all of the terms have p. So the lowest p that every term have is 1, so divided by p alone. 3pq divided by p, 3q, 4p square q, 4pq, 5pq to the power of 3. So lastly, divide by q, 3q, 4p, 5p, q square. So the answer here, 4 multiplied by p multiplied by q. The highest common factor equal to 4pq. Example 3. Factorize 5x cubed y square plus 15x square y square minus 25x y to the power of 4. So to solve this question, we use repeated division. So as you can see here, the coefficient 5, 15 and 25 can be divided by 5. So we divide by 5. Next, we see the lowest power for x equal to x to the power of 1, so divide by x only. Next, the lowest power for y equal to y to the power of 2, so divide with y square. So if you see here, every terms can't be divided again. So next, we see the divisible and multiply it. 5 multiplied by x multiplied by y square. So we got 5x y to the power of 2. Next, in bracket, you should put the remainder here, which is x squared plus 3x minus 5y squared. So this is the answer to factorize this question.